Ready? Look at those potatoes. Woo! Yes! All right. Aren't they beautiful? This, my friends, is halloumi cheese. Halloumi cheese and, halloumi cheese is Cypriot cheese, Cyprus from Greece. So that, coupled with my roasted, delicious potatoes on the stovetop, they are like perfection. And on a plate with some avocado. Oh, what a delicious dinner this is going to be. Yum. There it is, tonight's quick dinner. Hand roasted potatoes, avocado, and halloumi cheese. What? Ew? Not at all. So simple, so delicious. Go ahead and have you some. Woo! Yes. Wow, I'm on a roll. 2 nights in a row doing my cooking. Tonight was like, you know, lazy night, you know? Potato. Oh my God. Isn't that great? And look at this avocado. You know what I put on top? See all these? See all that? Oh, why is it so blurry? Anyway, that is everything bagel on top. And this, halloumi cheese. Wow. Super interesting. If only I had some tomatoes. Anyway, enjoy. Kitchen Marisa. Thanks for being part of the journey. Try it. Easy to make and cheaper than eating out. Buon appetito!